to get a ride in before these rains come. 3 more days of rain. Rockstar's ready. Let's go. Well, it wasn't supposed to rain till 11 o'clock tonight. Here we go. Oh well, I'm almost there. Got a ride. Well, nobody's here. That's a positive. Every ride. All right, let's let the adventure begin. Someone's been working on jumps here. That's cool. Ooh, someone's been here on a dirt bike. That's not cool. All right, we're at Los Robles. This is the best place to come when it's raining. The ground soaks up the rain pretty well. You can see a little bit of mud. But that's why it's called mountain biking, not beach cruising, right? There's a bike for that too. And we're not at the beach. Ooh, look at this. Well, I just went past a couple of people coming down and they were staring at me like I'm a fucking alien. I don't know what their problem is. I let them know I was coming. I know I'm not running the bell, but just giving that blank look on their face like, what the fuck? Oh, some people, man. So this place has a little bit of rocks. So I got that cush core in the rear tire. It's gonna be a good place to put that thing to the test. I'm back on that Maxxis 3.0 tire in the rear. So nice and wide. I'm actually running kind of a low PSI for me, about 26. Usually run about 28 on this big heavy bike, 28 to 30. Hello.
Hello.
Woo.
Just you?
Yeah, I can't even see this water. Thanks, guys. Sorry.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Very cool. I know I need to get a bell on, but it's a Monday. I really didn't expect to run into anybody. That's how it goes. Everyone's probably got the same idea. It's a Monday. No one's gonna be there. Someone's been trimming the bushes, looks like. That's cool. So yeah, what was I saying? I'm on that Maxxis 3.0, running that cush core, only in the rear. So we'll see how it does. One thing with that steep head angle on this bike, it does navigate the switchbacks pretty good. I can really get that steering wheel, the bars, turned pretty sharply. Like on my downhill bike, it's almost impossible to come around these super tight switchbacks like this. This bike does it with ease. Pick up a little bit of speed right here. Just came up on some hikers. They were super cool people. So we can pick up a little bit of speed. Flattens out just past the bench. So watch out on these corners for hikers. Brakes are working okay. Good as they get. Whew. No goggles on. Water's in my eye. Branches are low. Brakes are working. Fairly decent. Woohoo! Going uphill. Alright. Mellows out. I think we're going to go down Rosewood. Climbing at speeds. Crazy. A little bit slippery out here. A little bit slippery. Max just has good sidewalls, but not good. Try it. Straight over the middle. Look at that rain. Here we go. Oh, shit. Pretty slippery down here. These rocks are not gripping. Whew. This branch didn't help. Looks working. Scratch on there. Uh-oh. Bars are bent. There we go. Just me. A bunch of hikers. They're way back there.
Okay.
Slick right here. 80-pound bike. Brakes are working. Whew. Low branches today. This is where it gets technical. Never cleaned this section before. Right up here. Let's try it. Make sure I'm in the right gear. There we go. Oh, you know what? They fixed it. All right, I'm soaked to the bone now. It's coming down pretty good. GoPro's probably not picking it up, but I'm gonna get up here, top of Space Mountain, turn around, head down Rosewood, hit Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, call it a day. Like I mentioned earlier, it wasn't supposed to rain until 11 o'clock tonight, it said. But you can trust the weather, huh? All right, this is the top of Space Mountain, infamous Space Mountain. And nobody's here. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Whew. Beautiful day. Rosewood is not going to be fun, but I got to do it. I might as well just get started right now. This is going to be sketch. I got rain coming in my eyes. I can't put my goggles on because, I mean, looks like looking through a windshield with no wipers. Rosewood. This is usually a very, very fast trail. And we might get some hikers. My grips are pretty slippery. Oh my God. so hard to see. Eyes are like dripping. Storm Rider. Whoa, it's just kicking my tire like wherever it wants to go. Fun corner. Bunny. Skid. I don't want to make the trails any worse than they are. Yeah, it's like I gotta relearn to ride this bike. Getting off the downhill bike, I gotta lean back a little bit more in these turns on this bike. Get that front end around. Fairly grippy. Those MTX Gold Series. Yeah, they're working. I'm just cruising. No hurry. This was not the video I intended. But whatever, it is what it is. Let's see if I can clear up that lens at all. Make it worse for you. Mud down here. Whew. Oh, check that out. Little bridge. Yeah, terrain's turning more muddy down this way. It is what it is. Hello, just me. All right, we're almost done. Got a little mud on it. Just turned nasty out here. Whew. One more section. I'm gonna hit up Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. That's a staple. You got to do that while you're here. And then I'm gonna call it a day. Go get in my truck and get warmed up. Let's see if I can get a rain wheelie in. I'll take that. I just ran into some lady walking her dog. She's like, "Oh man, you're crazy." I go, "No, I'm just stupid." This rain, man. Gnarly. Hopefully I wasn't reading the weather forecast wrong and looking at 11 a.m. Oh, there we go. That's some mud right there. But no, I'm pretty sure it's at 11 p.m. Anyway, I'm here. I'm wet. I'm having a good time. And the faster I ride, the wetter I get.
That's what she said.
All right, that's why I'm not wearing my goggles, obviously. I'm sorry, that's probably what the GoPro lens looks like too, to you guys. Anyway, all right, Mr. Toads. Hopefully there's no hikers, because that's gonna suck. All right, just got finished. Got a little dirty. Battery died. Run on Mr. Toads, thank God. There was a Forest Service crew down there. About 3 people working, so it's a good thing. Might have been a sign that I wasn't supposed to go full speed down it. Anyway, hopefully some of the footage turns out. Everyone have a good day. All right, so the rock started great today. She got her fair share of abuse though. One thing I did notice when I was coming down, I was like, the seat feels weird. Anyway, you gotta check your bolts every now and then. I don't know how that happened, but the seat was loose. That little tiny spill that I took on that slippery rock did some damage right there. Also to my bars a little bit. Man, I noticed that scratch right there. Pretty deep, but all in all, she did great. That new rear push core liner, I really couldn't tell any difference, but felt solid. And that tire, it's a little slippery. You can tell the lugs are spaced apart pretty big on this tire. It's not the best for traction, but it does have some good sidewalls. Honestly, doesn't feel like that eddy current at all. It's a little more slick, and that showed today. I went down those slippery rocks, just, you know, barely even moving. Maybe going faster would have helped, but yeah, I'm kind of done with Maxxis. I'm gonna put eddy currents back on this thing once I wear these things completely down. But all in all, great ride. Even though it rained, weather forecast is way off. But thanks for watching, everyone. Stay stoked.